some of the key points regarding the future of auto workers. The road ahead appears uncertain, but uncertainty does not necessarily spell doom. In this dynamic landscape, new avenues are emerging as technology reshapes the auto industry. Consider this. The rise of electric vehicles is creating a demand for workers skilled in electric technology. Similarly, the push towards autonomous vehicles is opening up opportunities for those versed in AI and machine learning. Sure, these are different skills than traditional auto workers possess, but they are indeed opportunities within the auto industry. The question isn't whether jobs will exist, but rather what those jobs will look like. Yes, the future may demand a shift in skills and perhaps even roles, but let's not forget that every industrial revolution brought about change, and with change came opportunity. The future of auto workers might be filled with challenges, but it is also brimming with opportunities. So where do we go from here? How can auto workers adapt to these changes? The answer lies in one word: adaptability. The auto industry is an ever-evolving beast, and to tame it, auto workers must become its master. They must be willing to learn, unlearn, and relearn, continuously updating their skills to match the industry's pace. Think about it. New technologies are introduced every day. Electric vehicles, autonomous driving, artificial intelligence, these are no longer science fiction, but a reality that auto workers must be ready to embrace. This means stepping out of comfort zones and diving into the pool of continuous learning. It's about acquiring new skills, whether it's coding for autonomous systems or understanding the intricacies of electric vehicle mechanics. Staying updated with industry trends is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. The more knowledgeable and skilled auto workers are, the better they can secure their future. In an ever-evolving industry like the auto sector, adaptability is the key to survival and success. The future of auto workers, therefore, lies in their